In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name in DocuSign. Now, whether you've recently gotten married, changed your name legally, or simply need to update your information, this guide is going to walk you through each step to ensure the process is smooth and straightforward. To start, you'll want to log into your DocuSign account. Head over to the DocuSign login page, where you'll be prompted to enter your account credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the DocuSign dashboard. Here, you'll see various options laid out. Focus your attention on the top right corner of the screen where your profile avatar is located. Give that a click. This will bring up a drop-down menu from which you'll select Preferences. With the Preferences menu now open, let's move on to the next step, accessing your personal information. On the left-hand side, you'll see a series of options. Click on Personal Information. This page will display your current name, email address, and other account details, giving you an overview of your profile as it stands. Now, let's get to the actual name change. You'll see your name listed with an edit option right next to it. Click on Edit. This action will allow you to input your new first and/or last name. For example, if your name was previously Jane Smith and you need it changed to Jane Johnson, this is where you'll make that modification. Once you've made the necessary changes, double check to make sure everything is spelled correctly. After you're satisfied, click on Save to confirm the update, but we're not quite finished yet. It's a good idea to confirm that your new name is properly updated throughout the system. To do this, send yourself a test envelope. This will provide a chance for you to verify that your new name and signature appear correctly on the document. It's a simple yet effective way to ensure everything looks as it should. From this point onward, any future agreements will carry your updated name within the signing certificate and the audit trail, keeping everything consistent and accurate. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully changed your name in DocuSign, and you're all set for any future signings. If you followed along, you should find that navigating the platform was quite manageable. With these changes, you can continue using DocuSign without any hitches, knowing your information is current and correct. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to save this guide for future reference or share it with someone.